Here are the Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Earbuds from Apple. They have active noise cancellation, wingtips, up to 24 hours of battery life. They've got IPX4 water resistance, and they come in 4 different colours: black, white, stern purple or sage grey. I went for black. Let's take a closer look. Pull these off. Like that. Okay. And then the other one. Pull it off. Like that. And it comes out easily. That's how you do it. There's always the right way to do things. And that's nice. It's quite a nice sturdy box, very well presented. Oh, let's not let it all fall out. And here's the case. I like that. Very cool. And it opens up, and there's the earbuds. That's cool. I like it. It's a very slim case. You can see that they clip back into the magnetic. So even if I was to turn them over like that, they're not going to fall out. So that's really good. And these feel good. Immediately, I just like the feel of them. And the important thing is how they feel in my ears, eh? And with the wingtips, they should be very secure as well. And they are very secure. And they are really good, snug fit. I can definitely feel that. I mean, these aren't coming out. I could do gymnastics and these wouldn't fall out. Not that I'm going to do gymnastics, but as you can see, they really are secure and they're a nice, comfortable fit. And I can sense straight away that the active noise cancelling is kicked in, or the background noise has disappeared, or most of it. Here's a close-up view of these earbuds. And to show you, this is the right one. You can see it's got the letter R on it, if you're not sure which is the right one. And this bit here, this the tip, the wing tip, is flexible rubber all around here, and then it's hard plastic here, and then the silicone tip here. So what else do we get? Let's have a look. We get some spare ear tips, and we get a USB-C cable, I think. Yes, it is. And we also get some standard instructions and complete your beats with Apple Music. Now, Apple Music is very good. I use Apple Music, so that's worth getting. And I assume these are the instructions setting up guide. You might need a magnifying glass for these instructions. There you go, and the rest is safety and the complimentary sticker. And Apple always likes to give you these complimentary stickers. I don't know where people stick them. Maybe you could stick it on your car, I don't know. And these are the spare ear tips. It pulls off very easily, which is different than the AirPods Pro, because those ones you have to really pull. So, but these ones, they're very easy to replace, very easy indeed. So Apple have improved that. These should have no problems. Let's put the original back on. And I can't believe how light they are. They are so lightweight. That's the cable you get, the charging cable you get, and you plug it in there like that. So that's a little bit short in my opinion, but I guess if you want to carry it with you, that will fit in your pocket snugly. if I compare it with the AirPods Pro case, it is bigger than the AirPods Pro, by the way. And I will do a comparison of these Beats Fit Pro with my Apple AirPods. So that will be coming soon, probably at the end of this video. So check it out at the end of this video. I did a quick sound test of these earbuds, and in my opinion, they perform very well with a good range of high, medium and low notes that match the performance of my AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro earbuds. I'll be testing the audio quality and active noise cancelling more thoroughly in my next review of these earbuds. And finally, to connect your Beats Fit Pro earbuds to your Apple device, all you need to do is open the case and it will connect immediately. And the first time you connect them, it will even give you some animations on how to use your earbuds. They also offer seamless switching to any Apple device. So all in all, it's a very good experience. And if you're interested to find out more about these earbuds, then please check out my other reviews on them here or here. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for a lot more tech reviews and help guides to come. Thanks for watching.